Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting day. Not for this one right here, but it's the red one over there. The 2023 that I just got. So right now, I haven't opened it yet, so I got some goodies. There we go, some nice accessories for the car. So let's see how it looks like inside. So it comes basic stuff. I have the padding, armrest padding I believe, and I have the cup holder, and then some storage bin. So yeah, let's install it inside the car. All right, so yeah, we're gonna try this first. Let's do this first. It's the armrest. So I guess you just have to like just slide it in. Maybe it goes this way. Let's see. So I also have this on my other 2026, but I don't know. Yeah, so this one comes with a Tesla logo on it. Let's see. You guys can see it. So yeah, it's pretty comfortable. Feels like it. So next will be the storage. I think this one goes this way. I have to get rid of this because I have my stuff in there, and then you just slide it in. Perfect. And yeah, so the second storage right here. So basically you just kind of slide it in. There we go. Put my wallet on there. Stuff, pen. Perfect. And I guess the last one would be this cup holder. It's kind of hard holding the camera and doing this. So yeah, it's pretty durable. It's kind of nice and thick, and see, as you can see, without one, it gets stained with water stains and stuff. Not good. With this one, I don't have to worry about that. Easy to clean. So the storage right here, I'll put my wallet and stuff, and then this one, yeah, slide it in. And I actually did this garage opener I have, where I just stick it on there. When I'm home, I'll just kind of press it. It's kind of, how do you call this, hidden. So it's a nice feature. Pretty cool. Oh, I guess there's one more. I don't know what this is, so let me see. So actually this one, it's pretty cool, which I didn't know that it came with it. So this one, you just kind of stick it in here, so you kind of have like a secret compartment, and then this little knob, you can open it this way. But I guess I have to put a sticker on it first, which they provide you a sticker. So you put stickers on here, and I believe right here, double-sided tape, using this one. So all right, let's do that. All right, so yeah, so I put some tape on it. So it's a double-sided tape. So I already did peel it already. So yeah, it's kind of hard doing this, holding the camera, and then so pretty satisfying actually, taking it off. I don't know guys if you guys feel it that way. Right, so this one, and then one side right here. Okay, so let's see. All right, so it's supposed to just, yeah, slide it in and then press it till the stickers sticks really good, and then you just pull this tab and voila, nice, you have a secret compartment. I didn't really know that it came with it. I was just like, whoa, what's this? I thought that was the last one, the other one. So yeah, here it is. Pretty cool. I can put like my wallet on there. Perfect. Nice. So yeah, so this is the so that's the first piece. Second right here, so you can still use the bottom compartment and also this one. So, and actually I can still use my charger on here. Let's see. Okay, all right, and then I'm just gonna close it. Perfect. So this is the second one, or the, where am I, third piece. Pretty cool. I still have my compartment in the bottom. So yeah, it's pretty easy. And also the cup holder. Perfect. But I don't know about this padding right here. Should I keep it or just leave it alone? Comment down below, because it looks kind of cheap. I don't know. I mean, the one on the 2026, it doesn't have the Tesla logo on it. I mean it's not bad, but yeah guys, what do you guys think? Let me know. Comment down below if I should keep it or just leave it alone. But other than that, I like all the storage bin. Now I can just put my stuff in here. I can organize it and stuff. Yep, this one, perfect. I think my wallet is just too heavy, but yeah, open it like that way. Perfect. All right, so yeah, today's mods installation type of thing. So yeah, all right guys, till next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and till next time, peace out.